Good morning, dear students of St. Andrews School. I hope you are staying at home and staying safe. Today we will study mathematics, and this is chapter number 11, and name of this chapter is money. Students, come to exercise 11A, page number 125. First question is, write the following amount in figures. A, 10 rupees 15 paise. Students, be noted very well, 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. Okay, so 10 rupees equal to 10 into 100. Okay, and plus 15 paise, so plus 15 paise. Now we will calculate, then we get 1015 paise. Okay, so students, that's way you will complete question number B, C, D and E yourself. Okay, now students, come to exercise 11B. Convert the following into paise. Students, be noted very well, 1 rupees equal to 100 paise, so 5 rupees equal to 5 into 100 paise equal to 500 paise. Okay, that's way you will solve rest of all questions. Okay, now come to this question. Convert the following into paise. 4 rupees 25 paise, and we have to change it or convert it into paise. Okay, students, be noted very well, 1 rupees equal to 100 paise, so 4 rupees equal to 400 paise, means 4 into 100 paise. Okay, plus 25 paise plus 25 paise, and finally we get 425 paise. Okay, finally we get 425 paise. Okay, that's where you will solve rest of all questions. Okay, now students, come to next question. Convert the following into rupees. 320 paise, and we have to convert it into rupees. Students, we know that very well, 100 paise equal to 1 rupees, so 300 paise equal to 3 rupees. Okay, so we can write it 3 rupees 20 paise. Okay, 320 paise, we can write it in rupees as 3 rupees 20 paise. Okay, got it? So students, that's why you will solve rest of all questions yourself in homework. Okay, now students, come to exercise 11C. Add. First question is 32 rupees 25 paise plus 67 rupees 24 paise. Students, we have to add both monies. Students, first we will add 5 plus 4, then we get 9, then we will add 3 plus 2, then we get 3 plus 2, then we get 5, and now we will put a sign of point here. Okay, and then we will add 2 plus 7, then we get 9, and now we will finally add 3 plus 6, then we get 9. Okay, so students, finally we get answer 99 rupees 59 paise. Okay, same way students, you will solve rest of all questions, question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And students, question number 3, add y, arrange the following in column. Students, you will solve given question yourself like this question. Okay, now students, question number C, subtract. Students, we have to subtract 53 rupees 24 paise from 67 rupees 67 paise. Okay, first we will subtract 4 from 7, then we get 3. Now we will subtract 2 from 6, then we get 4. Now we will put point here, and then we will subtract 3 from 7, then we get 4, and now we will subtract 5 from 6, then we get 1. Finally we get 14 rupees 43 paise as answer. Okay students, that's why you will solve question number 2 and 3. Okay, in homework. Students, this is exercise 11D, multiply. Students, when we multiply 2 by 5, then we get 10. So we will write here 0, and then we will carry 1 here, and now we will multiply 2 by 4, then we get 8, and then we will add 1 carry, and finally we get 9. So answer is 90 rupees. Okay, so same way students, you will solve question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and students, same way you will solve question number B like question number A. Now students, we will solve question number C, divide. First question is 33 rupees by 3. Students, we have to divide 33 by 3. Okay, so let us solve. Students, we know that very well, 3 1 ja 3, so we will write here 3, so we will write here 1, and we will write here 3. Now we will subtract 3 from 3, then we get 0. Now we will take 3 here. Okay, and we know that very well, 3 1 ja 3, so we will write here 1, and we will write here 3. Now we will subtract 3 from 3, then we get 0. So answer is 11. Okay, got it? So students, same way you will solve question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 like question number 1. Okay, in homework. Now students, come to exercise 11E. First question is, the cost of 2 books are 127 rupees 75 paise and 213 rupees 25 paise respectively. Find the total cost. Okay, in this question students, in this question we have to add 127 rupees 75 paise with 213 rupees 25 paise. Okay, so let us begin to add. Students, we know that very well, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, so we will take 1 carry. Now we will add 2 plus 7 plus 1, then we get 10. Now we will take 1 carry, and we will apply here point. Okay, and now we will add 1 plus 7 plus 3, then we get 11, and so we will write here 1, and we will take 1 carry, and now we will add 1 plus 2 plus 1, then we get 4. Okay, and finally we will add 1 plus 2, then we get 3. So answer is 341 rupees 0 paise. Okay, I repeat it again, student, 5 plus 5 10, so we will write here 0, and then we will take 1 carry here, and now we will add 1 plus 7 plus 2, then we get 10. So we will write here 0, and we will take 1 carry and apply here point sign, and I repeat it again, and then we apply sign of point here, and now we will add 1 plus 7 plus 3, then we get 11. So we will write here 1, and we will take carry 1. Now we will add 1 plus 2 plus 1, then we get 4, and finally, so we will write here 4. Finally we will add 1 plus 2, then we get 3. So answer is 341 rupees 0 paise. Okay, students, rest of all questions you will solve yourself. Okay, question number 2 and 3, and rest of all questions you will solve yourself like first question. Okay, this is mental maths question, and this is revision exercise. So students, you will solve it in homework. Okay, complete your work in maths. Okay students, got it? Thank you and have a nice day.